Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. KS Craft Design Team Packs 1 is uber cute. It is a candy cane peppermint swirl bow. So you just do your layering pieces, the mama and the baby. I always like the smaller of the two because sometimes the big stuff is just, you know, really big unless you're doing a big project. So about 2 1/4 inches wide. And then the big one is 2 3/4 inches, so almost 3 inches. This is the add-on for the new like sideways 3D truck. But again, you don't even need that die. You could use all these little pieces, little light bulbs, candy cane and stuff for embellishing to your trays, like any little style stuff. Like for instance, this gingerbread for size reference is about 1.5 inches. The tree is 2 1/4 and the candy cane is 1.25 inches. So very cute. Next is this one. I think this is great for, I just think of holidays, you know. It's a bottle, but it holds a gift card. So this could be like champagne. This could be for a husband or a masculine card. Like if they drink beer, you can kind of turn it into that. This one does come with a Santa's belt to make it cute for Christmas. Like again, champagne, wines, stuff like that. Very cute. It's a little under 7.5 inches tall. So nice, good size. This one, it's kind of like a flourishy wreath. And Hannah layered this up multiple times to make a more like fuller wreath. So 2 different sizes, and you just keep layering it and then alternate it, and it looks like a full little Christmas wreath. Very cute. This is a cute little pocket, but it's a Memdex. So here's the bottom. You would load like gift cards and stuff. This word says gift card, and you can also make it a little shaker with like a window if you wanted. So very cute. Comes with some snowflake tags. Next is this one. Hannah showed a great example on her channel today. Is a Joy bag topper. So it's Joy with the light as the O. And then these pieces are to make it so that just the J shows, just the O, just the Y each page, so you can flip each letter. Next is the cute little snowman tag with the words. So let it snow in different fonts, winter wishes, hi frosty, season's greetings, burr, you melt my heart, thanks so much. Very cute little snowman. Next is the gingerbread, giant gingerbread. So he's a shaker. He does have stitching, 5.5 inches. And you could just use this piece and cut out some acetate if you wanted to make it a shaker versus just layering it on top. Comes with cute little eyes, little peppermint candy cane, the frosting, cute little bow, very cute. You can never have enough tag dies. So this is this cute like little ruffled one, and this one kind of curves in at the sides, and they both have like, you line up the hole to make it the reinforcer part. There's a cute present die, so you get the mama and the baby size, and literally you just can have a flat embellishment. These aren't the 3D presents, so you can see right here, just it'll give it a 3D look, but it's a flat present that you could lay in scrapbooking or under a project, presents, everything. There's a cute round one, like more of a pyramid style shape present, boxes, very cute. These are for the scalloped treat bag that had an Easter bunny on it. So here's the Santa. You can see how it's cut off right here. This is the end of the box. So I can't wait to play with this one. So there's a Santa, and then there's also a gingerbread. See how his hands are cut off? Very cute. You could also use these for other things, 3D albums and projects as well. We have this one, a little 3D like locker. So you got your numbers, little house. There's like a little truck and stuff. This makes like a little box. Hannah made an example for this. Next is this one, and this makes a 3D box, you guys, and it's got all the layering pieces. So the scallop part stitched. It says recipes. It's a recipe box basically. And I love that it comes with a stamp, or maybe it's separate, but you would cut your little squares out. You could probably do it on this piece right here. Yes, stamp it on there. And it says chef, serves, recipe, ingredients and directions, prep time, cook time. And then obviously you could do the back as well. But this little box like this, you assemble it, and you got your cute little flip through and your tab as well. Next is this one is a cute little coffee cup shaker mug, Christmas one. So you got your frosting, your little gingerbread, the froth coming down in a spoon. This is the baby one, and this one's a lot smaller. So this one is 2.5 inches, and this one is from edge to handle 3 1/4 inches. Sled mini album. So you got your little, I guess it would go this way, right? Well, it cuts this way, so it flips this way. Okay, so like this. And this guy, smaller than I thought, 6 inches tall, but he is only, the actual sled part's 3 inches. And then you've got your little cute words on here. Sleigh, fun, winter, let's go, and ride. as the little words. Last year was the first release for the Christmas banners, and now we have a new release. This one is a fun dainty bow, layering candy cane banner, the mistletoe with the berries, and then the stocking with the layering part. Very, very fun. Can't wait to play with these guys. Next is like a kind of a little treat sack, and you could layer this up and tie the strings together. You would cut this out twice. All sorts of like Christmas goodies and stuff with this one, especially like craft fairs and stuff. Oh, next, I think this is like a more of like a little box, but it has a window. So you can make this part the shaker with foam, and then you can see the contents or just the shaker on the inside. So very cute. Can't wait to play with this one. And this like box, once assembled, is 4 inches wide, 5.5 inches tall, and 1.25 inches wide. That is everything from this release, you guys. And I will link stuff down below, and I can't wait to get crafting with stuff like this, even though I'm still in Halloween mode. All right, bye guys.